In this video, we will explore the correct process of cleaning UAV sensors and the essential tools for this operation. Sensors such as the gyroscope, accelerometer, electronic compass, barometer, and GPS are critical components that ensure flight stability and accuracy. Dust deposits, humidity, or residues can affect their operation, leading to navigation errors or loss of drone control. We will analyze safe cleaning methods, recommended solutions, and necessary tools to prevent damage to delicate components. Over time, sensors can accumulate dust, moisture, oils, insect debris, or dirt that can affect their functionality. The necessary tools and materials for cleaning are a compressed air vacuum, used to remove dust and impurities from sensors and circuits. Anti-static brushes, used for delicate cleaning of surfaces without leaving marks or static electricity. Microfiber wipes are used for gently wiping optical and electronic surfaces without scratching them. Isopropyl alcohol with a concentration between 90 and 99%, used for degreasing and cleaning surfaces without leaving residues. Cotton swabs are used for cleaning hard-to-reach areas and small components. Compressed air spray is used to remove dust from hard-to-reach areas, such as connectors and ventilation. Special adhesive tape for lenses is used to remove fine dust particles from optical surfaces. Anti-static gloves protect sensors from fingerprints and static electricity. Cleaning each type of sensor, cleaning the gyroscope and accelerometer IMU. Accumulated dust on the board or mechanical shocks can affect the IMU gyroscope and accelerometer, leading to inaccurate data, making their cleaning necessary. How is cleaning performed? We open the UAV casing and locate the IMU board. We use compressed air spray to remove dust. If visible dirt is present, we use a cotton swab with isopropyl alcohol for delicate cleaning. We ensure the IMU is well secured to reduce vibrations. Cleaning the magnetometer is essential for preventing problems caused by electromagnetic interference, dust accumulation, and dirt. How is cleaning performed? We wipe the surface with a microfiber wipe moistened with isopropyl alcohol. We avoid direct contact with hands by using anti-static gloves. If the UAV has been exposed to strong magnetic fields, recalibrating the compass may be necessary. Cleaning the barometer is essential for preventing problems caused by dirt and humidity that can affect atmospheric pressure readings. How is cleaning performed? We avoid direct cleaning with liquids as the barometer is sensitive to pressure. We use compressed air from a distance to remove dust. If the sensor is covered by a protective membrane, we ensure it is not blocked. We apply protective covers to prevent direct air currents that may influence measurements. Cleaning the GPS. Dust deposits on the antenna can reduce GPS signal. How is cleaning performed? We wipe the GPS antenna with a soft microfiber cloth. We use compressed air spray to clean the GPS connectors. We ensure the antenna is well secured and has no loose conductors. Cleaning optical sensors. Cameras, LiDAR, IR, multi Spectral need cleaning to remove dust, watermarks, fingerprints, or scratches that may affect image quality. How is cleaning performed? We use an air blower to remove large dust particles. We apply special adhesive tape for lenses to remove fine particles. If there are grease or watermarks, we use microfiber wipes moistened with isopropyl alcohol. We avoid aggressive wiping as it can scratch the lenses. Cleaning obstacle avoidance sensors, LiDAR, ultrasonic. Dust, dirt, and uncontrolled reflections can affect measurements, so cleaning must be performed as follows. Wipe the sensor surface with a microfiber cloth. If the sensor has optical lenses, use a special lens cleaning solution. Use anti-static brushes to remove dust around the sensor. General maintenance recommendations. Clean the UAV after each flight in dusty, sandy, or high humidity conditions. Avoid touching the sensors with your hands, as skin oils can affect accuracy. Store the UAV in a dry and clean place, away from moisture and dust. Use protective covers for optical sensors and GPS antennas. Do not use aggressive products such as acetone or industrial solvents, as they can damage components.